adhesive sheets. Price today is under $35 on the holiday price. This is so cute.
Okay, isn't it adorable? Now, look at this. First of all, I want you to see, yes, you can die cut felt. If you have wool content in your felt, you can die cut felt. And you know what? I'm just going to go like this all day long because he is so fun to play with. So again, those fold-its, remember, they're standard card size in the United States, but also perfect for banners, also perfect for scrapbook pages. So simple and so easy. Now, here's a fun one on a slimline card, but look at that cute little bee. I've shown you how easy they are to make, but I just want to show you a couple samples before we show you again, because they're so cute. Look how cute this one is. This is a shaker card with the card front on there, but that little bee is just so fun. Now you could do different things with it. Oh, but this one's going to be the wow factor. Folds flat for mailing, but watch this, my friends. When you open it up, look at the detail in here. Look at how gorgeous that little guy is. Buzzing by to say happy birthday.
Stop it.
Is that just adorable? Again, folds flat for mailing. Now, let me show you what you're going to get.
I just want to let you know, Grandella in the chat,
oh,
she loves Stamps of Life. She loves Stephanie. She loves you. She loves Ken. Stacy Ann says this is absolutely the cutest.
Isn't it? Isn't it? Now, this is really fun because yes, you're getting the standard dies that you're going to get for a fold it. Remember, you're going to get that special die that says place fold here. It tells you where to make the card. You're going to get the inside dies. The face is optional, my loves. So you are going to get the face here. You can drop it in there and run it through really easy. You are also getting extra eyeballs and extra little pieces for the antenna. Now, again, the stamps. Those are so important. And I say it again, I'll say it again. These are photopolymer stamps. But you're getting these. Buzzing by to say, what? Happy birthday. Get well soon. Thinking of you. You are loved. Be you. Hope your day is as sweet as honey. Be strong. Be happy. Be positive. And a cute little bee stamp right there. You're also, all the way over here, you're also getting fun layering stencils. So when you die cut your little bee, I have stencils that are going to add little extra add extra little dots and hearts and fun little swirls on them. And I also have my stencils etched, so you know exactly where to lay them on your die cuts. And then you're going to be able to add that fun little stenciling. And look at how cute your samples are going to, your little projects are going to be. Look how cute that is. Oh, bee, no pun intended. Look at that. Bee paws it, right? Look at that. Here's this one. Oh, and that balloon hugs is coming later today, but look how cute that is with that little bee. Look at this one. Here we go. See that swirl right there?
Listen, our producer Fran, he's coming in with the puns right now. He just said you're going to feel the sting.
Oh my
if you
goodness!
Don't pick this up.
Oh my goodness! Okay,
this is all the buzz.
Oh no!
Fran, everybody! Fran, everybody!
Yay! Good job! Good job. So now also you can put it on a 5x7 card. Remember, it's standard card size, but you can put it on a 5x7. Here we go. We put it on an angle and just use part of the bee. But look at how intricate those fun little antennae are. Aren't they adorable? I just love this little critter. Now, here's a cute one. Hey, bee. Whoops. So sorry. That one's two. Look at that. Ah. Okay. Look at that one. Pink. You don't have to do yellow and black all the time. Here is pink. We all know I love pink. Look at that cute little hearts in there. See those little hearts? That is from the stencil. Here, look at this one, BU. These dots here are from the stencil. So you're going to be using that stencil way more than you even expect. More dots on this one. Hope your day is as sweet as honey.
Stop it.
Look at that. Isn't that cute?
Oh,
it's
and
just
the
like
foil.
I know. Look at that gorgeous foil on
the
there.
Mix media. Okay, I want to let everyone know, and we're winding down here. This is a very limited. Less than how many, Fran? Less than 700, just kidding, less than 600.
Oh gosh.
You need to get this one. $11 and change gets it home. Just as a reminder with everything you're getting everything that you need in this kit, all of the sayings as well. I cannot wait to see what everyone makes with these.
I absolutely can't either. And you know what? Again, it's the same thing with how easy it is to do. You're going to fold your cardstock. Remember, the back of the die is going to give you all the instructions. It's going to tell you where to place it on the fold. You're going to die cut it. It's going to be so easy peasy. Then you're going to add an extra little piece on top. There you go. And then you're going to make your finished card. So simple, so easy. We give you those stencils as well, so you can add those fun little swirls. Add those. Oh, here's all the stencils together. Look how cute that bee is. We have that swirl, we have the hearts, and we have the dots.
Get these home. Have fun. Limited though. Pick this up now. 912-358 is your item number. Stephanie, thank you.
It was so much fun.
It was quick. Oh my gosh. Congrats to all of you who have picked up all of your